Lockerbie, Dumfries and Galloway, southwest Scotland, the 13th of January 2024. A small town with a population under 5,000, but whose name is known the world over for the 1988 terrorist bombing of Pan Am Flight 103, resulting in 270 deaths, leading to the UK's largest criminal inquiry, led by Britain's smallest police force, the now disbanded Dumfries and Galloway Police. The town is situated on the M74 motorway, linking the M6 with Glasgow, and has a railway station on the West Coast London to Glasgow main line. Lockerbie station is served principally by TransPennine Express, and here we see one of their Glasgow to Preston trains passing the town's Tesco supermarket. Services between London and Glasgow, or Edinburgh, are run by Avanti West Coast, and nowadays operated almost exclusively by the tilting Pendolino trains, very few of which call at Lockerbie. The late-running Pendolino from London is followed shortly by an on-time service from Birmingham New Street. InterCity tours are running their Ayr Extension from Crewe today. I had expected this to operate via my local Glasgow and South Western Nith Valley line, but being electrically hauled, it's running up to Glasgow Central, where it will reverse before heading to Ayr. However, following an arson attack last September, Ayr Station Hotel is in an unsafe condition, and the station is more or less closed, so the special will have to terminate at Barassi, an unusual destination. The special is due to be looped here at Lockerbie to allow a faster following train to overtake it. That's why I'm here today. And that's the loop you can see at the bottom right of the picture. Hopefully, I'll be able to get some good close-up shots of the heritage electrics and carriages as the train inches its way into the loop. And here it comes. But it's travelling at speed. It can't possibly turn off the main line at that speed. Oh, rats. I'll have to catch it at Carlisle tonight. It has to stop there to drop off passengers. Freight traffic is sparse on Saturdays, but the oil tanker train from Dalston Oil Terminal on the Maryport and Carlisle line to Grangemouth Refinery on the Firth of Forth is due shortly. So let's wait for it. On the other side of the tracks, we can see the M74, or A74M if we want to be strictly accurate. The tanker train was reported as running on time, but it seems to be a few minutes late now. And here's why. It's crawling along. It must be about to enter the loop. My camera recording the sound is about half a mile away. The noises you can hear are from the bottle bank at Tesco car park. So, from a warm, sunny Lockerbie, thanks for watching. If you want to see the Ayr Extension close up, come and join me at Carlisle this evening.